Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome in next class. This hiwar also about work, and this hiwar between Uthman and Ali. Uthman: أعمل طبيبا وماذا تعمل أنت؟ أعمل طبيبا, I work as a doctor. I work as a doctor. أعمل mean I work as a doctor. وماذا تعمل أنت, and what do you do? And what work do you do? Or you can say ana tabibun, we read before ana tabibun, or you can say a'malu tabiban, a'malu muhandithan, a'malu mudarrisan. A'malu, I work, and after add your work. A'malu tabiban wa madha ta'malu anta, and what work do you do? A'malu muhandithan. Muhandithan mean engineer. I work as a engineer. I work as an engineer. Uthman: أين تعمل? أين تعمل, where do you work? أين, where. تعمل, do you work. أعمل في الشركة, I work at a company. I work at a company. أين تعمل أنت, and where do you work? Where do you work? أعمل في المستشفى, I work in a hospital. Mustashfa is hospital. I work in a hospital. كم ساعة تعمل في اليوم? How many hours do you work daily? How many hours do you work daily? أعمل 8 ساعات في اليوم. I work 8 hours every day. أعمل, I work 8 hours every day. Kam sa'atan, this after kam is mufrad mansoob use, single mansoob. Maslan kam fardan fi ailatik, kam akhan laka, kam ukhtan laka, kam sa'atan ta'mal, kam yawman tadrus, or kam yawman ta'mal. After kam is mufrad mansoob use. Mufrad means single, mansoob use. Kam sa'atan ta'mal fil yawm. Okay, this type you can make many sentences. Kam sa'atan, kam yawman tadrus, kam sa'atan taktub, tadhhab ila al-madrasa. Kam sa'atan ta'malu fil yawm. How many hours do you work? And Uthman is saying أعمل 8 ساعات في اليوم. I work 8 hours. I work 8 hours daily. Uthman: وكم ساعة تعمل أنت, and how many hours do you work? أعمل 7 ساعات. I work 7 ساعات is 7 hours. Okay, 3 to 10 use second part is plural. For example, 7 sa'atin, and opposite. For example, sa is muannath and adad use mudhakkar. هل تحب عملك? هل تحب عملك? Do you like your work? نعم أحب عملي. Yeah, I like my work. أنا أحب عملي أيضا, I am also love my work. Okay. أعمل طبيبا وماذا تعمل أنت؟ أعمل مهندسا. أين تعمل؟ أعمل في الشركة. أعمل في شركة. أين تعمل أنت؟ أعمل في المستشفى. كم ساعة تعمل في اليوم؟ أعمل 8 ساعات في اليوم. وكم ساعة تعمل أنت؟ أعمل 7 ساعات. هل تحب عملك؟ هل تحب عملك؟ نعم أحب عملي. أنا أحب عملي أيضا. أيضا mean also. I am also love my work. Okay, you have to memorize this hiwar, this dialogue, and you can change about your work. For example, you are teacher and you can change about your work, or you are working in a company. You can also change, and you can change sentences about your work. When you memorize this hiwar, and you can easily speak about your work. And you watch my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Inshallah, see you in next class. Allah Hafiz.